Okay, sorry guys, I've been having some issues with my phone tonight. Those are my shoes right there. Let's try this again. I do not know what's been going on, but this is the Dollar Tree photo album, the hardbacked one that I bought, and that I showed you guys that I wanted to use as like a junk journal. So it doesn't look the greatest. I haven't put them all in, but there's going to be 3 signatures. I still obviously need to do the back because there is the tag that does not come off. And now, so this is a lot of stuff that's either from the Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store, or that I found on clearance because I'm very cheap. So these are, if you've seen my 99-cent store haul, I found a beautiful thing of, there was like 25 or something of these gemstones. So I put some on there and obviously put some on the front. Now, this right here, sorry guys, the front part right here, this is obviously where the picture was or is supposed to go, but I just put some foam tape and put this out a little bit. Put some lace under it, just put some different colored paper there. This right here is just a tag that pulls out of the, oops, sorry guys, I'm trying to do this one-handed. So this tag just pulls out of there. You can put as many tags as you want in there. So that is the front. Sorry, I'm wiggling around, guys. So this right here is some, I think it's beautiful. It is some of the lace that I bought from the 99-cent store. So again, it was 99 cents. This I got in a journal of like all kinds of different paper and stuff. So I glued that in there. Again, I still have to like put the signatures in here. This right here is where I pulled out the picture from. I'm sorry, yeah, the picture things from. So these are my 3 different signatures. I'm sorry, this is not the best filming. But, so my first one right here is just paper and stuff. And this is not where I'm going to, like, what I'm going to leave in here. But I just wanted to show you that this is one pocket that I made. And the scalloped edges here, that's from one of the punches that I bought at Goodwill a long time ago. This is a Dollar Tree fabric or ribbon that I bought a long time ago also. So let's go to page 2 here. These are stickers that I got on clearance at Michael's a long time ago. Another little pocket. I'm not sure where I got some of this other stuff, but it's just papers and stuff. This is just a blank page for journaling. Right here's another page. And let's see here. So this is just some ribbon that I had gotten from Dollar Tree a while ago. I thought there was a pocket here, but I'm not sure. I guess not. And then some more journaling right here. Just another page. Just one that just a full page that's obviously in the center. I just use a makeup applicator and some ink and then just did the edges there. Again, just some lace that I got from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. Just some more different colors. This paper is kind of hard to see, but it's just kind of like splattered paint on there. Just a paper, and these are a pack of stickers that I had gotten from Michael's on clearance. I love them, but they're unicorn. So this right here is I can't remember, just a binder thing that I made so you can stick stuff under there. This is another little pocket that I made. Again, lace from the Dollar Tree a long time ago. This is lace from a dress I bought a long time ago. It was the ugliest dress and I forgot to return it. So I just cut it up and I've been using it. Just another pocket that I made. And this right here, it's kind of funny. So this is the sticker that I had gotten from Michael's on clearance also. But I used the sticker that was inside of this on something. And then this is just like the outside of the sticker that you're supposed to throw it away. But I loved the silver color. So I just put it on here. So that's the outside of the sticker. And then like this is just some fabric that I glued down. This is a mess. So that is my first thing. So let's just move that out of the way because everything is just a mess right now. So I'll just move on to this one since this is the one that's in the book right now. This one I just love. So this is just a normal unicorn paper, but this is again a sticker that I had gotten from Michael's on clearance and I love it. So that is that page. Let me see what I got here. This is just a paper that I glued onto some cardstocks. I think it's really pretty. I just wanted to leave it alone like that. Another pocket with just some unicorn stickers. Again, I think there was like 12 of these at the 99-cent store in a pack, so I got those. These are more of the stickers that I got on clearance at Michael's, more stickers I got on clearance at Michael's, and then more of those really pretty gemstones I love from the 99-cent store. This is just some fabric I glued onto paper, and actually I kind of liked the fact that the strings were coming off, so I like that there. This right here does not obviously want to stay open. Okay, work with me here. Okay, so let's just open this page for a second. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, so this, okay, Amy, what is happening here? Okay, so it's not put together yet, so let's just take this one out for a minute so you can see it. So this is a pocket right here, and I got these like thick cardboard tags a while ago at Goodwill for like 99 cents, and I found, I have all these things that I buy on clearance, and then I put them in like my embellishments tag, trying to get it so you can see it and it'll focus, but it doesn't want to. But these are some unicorn earrings that I had. Okay, it doesn't want to. Oh my gosh, what is going on with my phone? Anyways, so I just put them down here at the bottom, and I figured I'm just going to put them in here. And so they're actual earrings that the person that gets it can wear. So I thought those were really pretty. Again, that's a pocket right there that doesn't want to cooperate right now. I just left this paper alone except for putting the edges on because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So we have that. This is just some fabric that I had. I love the unicorn, so I glued that there. Again, more of that fabric. Just some more unicorns just kind of thrown in there a little bit. This back page just has that beautiful butterfly because I think it's so pretty. This, I just wanted to show you that this was another pocket. And this right here is actually the outside of another sticker. And it's the part that you're supposed to throw away, but I love the color again, thought it was gorgeous. So I put it in my book and another pocket. And then just this little paper back there. So there is my second, I don't know what they're called. Yeah, I'm sorry. I've been a long day, guys. So this is another little pocket. And this is just like some, oh my gosh, Amy, like burlap, but it's pink. And so I just put that in there so you could see that that was a pocket. This is some journaling space right there. Just some beautiful unicorn paper with just this little thing I cut right there. Just some more space here I just glued some more Dollar Tree ribbon from a long time ago. This is from a long time ago at the Dollar Tree, so there is that. This is just another little pocket. Obviously another pocket here. There are a lot of pockets in here, so that's another pocket. And this one right here is one of my favorite. I liked, I don't know, the purple ribbon right there. And this right here, I think this actually is, yes, it is another pocket. So here is another pocket right there. Actually, I have this paper, so we'll see. Yeah. So this is just the yellow starburst behind it with the really pretty unicorn paper. Not really a whole lot going on here except for another pocket. This is just randomly in there. Obviously, I have more stuff to still do to this paper. Another just starburst that I left alone. Some paper, some fabric that I just glued on this page. Again, some more journaling room. This is just another journaling too that all of this paper right here is from a huge journal. I think it was 99 cents at Goodwill a long time ago. Another little pocket. I glued that really pretty butterfly on there and put that in the center. And actually, I think that is all of the, I remember what they were called when I first started this video, but it's been a long day. but let me just try to put them all back in here without making everyone sick. And this is just the last page. So what I'm going to do is, I mean, obviously I don't know how to sew. Oh my gosh, I need to get something so that you guys can see. But anyways, I'm just going to loop around some string. Sorry guys. And bring it around the edge right here and just hang lots of pretty charms and stuff from back here. Finish up the back. I don't know, just do some stuff. But I just wanted to show you, like I said, just how I use the cover from the Dollar Tree to make this book that once I finish it up, I don't think you're ever going to be able to tell that it was a Dollar Tree book. That's I did not have to make, again, the cover myself. It is extremely sturdy. You can see how thick it is. It's going to hold all of these different sections. And I think it looks amazing. So I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. And I hope you're all having an amazing day. And I'll talk to you later.